is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, tonight we're going to use this really cute little wreath attachment that we learned how to make this month in the creative coaching group. Let's get our frame ready. All right, so I'm going to take my 10-inch mesh and just throw it on the floor. Y'all, we're going to make our poofs with the 10-inch. All right, so fold it over, then fold it in, then scrunch it up. And we're just going to go all the way around. All right, so we're going to measure out 10 inches, and we're going to go actually all the way around the frame, top and bottom. All right, y'all, now I'm just gonna go from the top directly down to the bottom row as tight as I can to the closest one there. All right, now I'm going around the bottom. Same 10 inches. I like this one. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it was really soft, but using it as that base and then adding the ruffles, I think it's gonna be good. All right, y'all, now we're gonna add in a little bit of burlap, and then I'm gonna try to pull in some of the pink. All right, so we are gonna need 10 cut at 30 inches. It's 5 cuts, I'm cutting 2 at a time. Now I need 8 at 20 inches. Let's take our 30-inch. We're going to curl each end once or twice. All right, and then we're just going to ruffle it right down the middle. And then whenever I flip mine over, I want to see the 2 curls and the ruffle, right? So I want to see this side versus this side. Depending on how you curl it, yours could be not upside down. All right, so we're just gonna alternate between the 2 all the way around. So we've got our 10-inch poofs all the way around. We just added our 30-inch ruffles. Now we're going to do our 20-inch ruffles. 20 inches. Gonna curl it. Gonna curl it. Gonna ruffle. All right, so check out how it came out, right? I wanted the bright green to like be peeking through, just like our sun, right? Then I wanted the pinks and burlap. Y'all, we are gonna use these two pipe cleaners. I'm gonna make them a little bit longer. All right, so we got that a little bit longer. Y'all, I'm just making these longer because I don't want to fight with it, and it's cheaper to spend 3 extra pennies on a pipe cleaner than it is to fight with it. All right, so that should be good. Y'all, I'm also gonna add one mounting square up here at the top. That way I make sure it doesn't wiggle. Y'all, now I am going to run these two right down the center and then attach this one towards the top. Y'all, I want to leave a little bit of room at the bottom because we're going to put a big bow on there. Now, I've got the one that's right at the top, right? There's one right below this. I tied that to the top of the frame. Now, at the bottom, I'm going to pull those two pipe cleaners that we did, and I'm going to pull one over here and one over here. That way we get some tension, and this little guy stays right where we want him. All right, she's settled in there. All right, y'all, let's get pretty good ribbon tail. It's going to be about, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14-inch tail. Get a good pinch. Get a good twist. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go all the way out with an 8-inch loop. If I don't, we will never have enough room in this bow for all of these. This will be an extra large bow. It will be. All right, now I'm going to use the carrot ribbon. Y'all, another little carrot topper. The box kids put their Valentine's in. Listen. Gonna end it with a little pop of color right in the center. Let's slide this off. Wrap our pipe cleaner around it. Get it good and twisted. All right. Now in this particular bow, I did all of the tails this way longer because I want it to sit right here at like a little angle and all of the tails hang down. All right, so I know I'm gonna want this one trimmed down. And then these two, I don't want covering the basket either, so I'm gonna trim them. All right, I'm gonna use my Easy Bow Maker and my ribbon tail board. So I'm gonna use 12-inch tails. So I'm just gonna use my 12-inch board here. All right, and we are gonna cut 9 of each color. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our ribbon tails and we're gonna take those twists that are on the frame and we're gonna add 1 set of tails all the way around. All right, so just grab 2 of your ribbons. Fold it over, give it a good pinch. All right. Pinch it again. And then I like to fold mine over so that they look like this, and then add that all the way around. All right, so then once it's like that, I just spread out the tails a little bit. Just like that. And keep going. Just gonna alternate the colors. All the way around. Now, this bow is kind of thick. So we're gonna grab our mesh. Let's do our mesh. And we're gonna cut ourselves about a 20-inch strip. All right, y'all, we're gonna make another little ruffle. All right, we're gonna take a pipe cleaner. All right, y'all, and then we're gonna take this little mesh wedge and we're gonna use it to hold up the really thick bow. Y'all, all I did was I lifted up my bow and then I put a mesh ruffle right underneath those tails. That way it helps it stand up a little bit longer. All right, now look, they all just stand up. Let's dovetail the rest of our bow. Look how cute. Now, in this particular one, I'm not going to add florals because I think it's busy enough and I don't want to take away from the little bunny, right?